It's a little bit more exciting later in the journey, don't you worry. On the right hand side is most of our views, everyone. We can see the beautiful Jarrison Valley. We can see out some Mount Solitary. Big up over the middle, Mount Solitary. Also known as Mundi, and by the traditional custodians of this place, the Bindonga. Meaning solitary giant. Now on the left hand side, we have something pretty awesome, guys. This is Waterfall in the front left corner. That is the Katoomba Falls. One of the tallest waterfalls here. Now starting to slow down, coming into the stopping point of our destination. So there will be a bump. Hold on. Don't worry, but here it comes.